At AV Gauge, we believe the road to world-class manufacturing solutions is paved by a commitment to growth in both knowledge and capabilities. We express that commitment by investing in our team, our suppliers, and our clients. And the results? Well, they speak for themselves. Our validation, conformance, and automation solutions lead the industry not only in innovation, but in on-time delivery and return on investment as well. That journey to become a global leader begins with talent. We have a diverse and skilled team of well over 300, all of whom are driven by unwavering curiosity, a commitment to discovering unique and innovative solutions for our partners. Our 7 facilities are strategically located to ensure that we're close to those very partners in Oldcastle, Ontario, Louisville, Kentucky, and Querétaro, Mexico, the 3 centers of North American automotive manufacturing. We have the financial strength to invest in people and resources to support large programs and to pursue groundbreaking research and development. We have over 35 years of experience in delivering effective and efficient automotive manufacturing solutions to partners from around the world. And our workflow is unique, allowing us to always be responsive and agile, adapting to programs of any scale. It's that kind of program approach that has allowed us to be recognized as one of Canada's best managed companies. So what does this all mean? Well, with a team-based, partner-focused culture, one with a shared vision of growth in knowledge and capabilities, AV Gauge continues to be recognized as a global leader in validation, conformance, and automation. AV Gauge, better manufacturing solutions through knowledge and capabilities.